Today I am in my son's bedroom because I am going to be doing a makeover for his room this month. I am taking part in Heidi's Sample from Happily Thriving Heidi's Room of the Month Makeover Challenge. And this is a collaboration with 9 other lovely ladies here on YouTube, and we are all making over different rooms of our home through the month of October. Now this is the second time I have played along with Heidi. The first time I did my daughter's bedroom. So if you want to see that video, I will have a card up here. I will also have a link down below for you, so make sure you check that out. There will be a playlist as well down in the description box that will have everybody's makeovers for the room of the month, so you can see what the rooms are, what their inspiration is, and what their plans are. Now let me show you my son's room, give you a tour. I'm also going to introduce you quickly to the 9 other ladies playing along this month. And I am going to show you a board, which is my inspiration board for my son's bedroom. These are my YouTube friends who are also playing along for the Room of the Month Makeover in October. I will have links to their channels down in the description. So this is my son's room. He just moved into this room because my daughter got married and moved out. So one of the things we need to change are these curtains. These curtains were from my daughter's bedroom. They are definitely not my son's style. And my son basically just hung stuff anywhere where there was nails from her bedroom decor. She also left this desk, which we will use. He just doesn't have a chair. So we do have to get him a chair. We need to get him some new bedding. He was in a bottom bunk with his brother. He hung this flag up here, which I don't know if it'll stay there or not. And again, this decor will most likely change. This is just some of the stuff he moved out of his bedroom with his brother and stuck in here. Again, some more nails from my daughter's decor that we will take care of. Here is a little glimpse into his closet. His closet's not horrible, but I do think that we can get some bins and baskets and stuff and get it a little bit more organized for him. And we need to take care of these bags as well. So now I'm going to just turn around and kind of give you a visual reference to the bedroom from the other side, so you can see what we're working with. Now this large wall that I'm about to show you that is just white and completely bare, this is going to be the focal point of his bedroom. We are going to be doing peel and stick vinyl flooring that looks like hardwood, kind of like a basketball court on that wall. So this is my decor board for his room. It's a Pottery Barn inspired, more mature version of a sports bedroom. If you enjoyed this video and you're excited to see this room transform this month, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to check out the playlist linked below.